Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share daily market analysis of various stock exchanges of the world, and I do analysis of 10 currency pairs. And please do not mind because of the not so professional setup. I do not have any professional setup. I'm just doing this from the comfort of my home. So without any delay, let's get started. So in this monthly session, I have this chart of USD JPY, US dollar, Japanese yen, and as the analysis is for today only, so I'll be just using 1 hour and my favorite Forex time frame only. That's it. I won't be switching to the daily time frame or weekly time frame. So right now, USD Japanese dollar is trading at 105.66. Okay, so we have got few levels here for a day. It's the first support is available at 105.25. And the second support is available at 104.43, and the resistance is available at 106.17. So what should you do now? I'll say that wait for the levels. If the if the US dollar Japanese yen hits the support level, I mean this particular line at 105.25, okay, you just see how does it react. If it bounces from there, you can buy. If it breaches the support or if it breaks the support, okay, you can short the market and your target will be 104.43. In case it goes up, okay, suppose from here it goes up and reaches the level of 106.17, then also you can do one thing. You just observe, okay, you just observe how it is reacting after hitting the resistance level. If volume supports and if it breaks the resistance level, you can go long, okay, but you must get the confirmation from the candlestick analysis or your favorite indicator or volume. Okay, that totally depends on you, but if you want to go long, you can only go long once it crosses this level. That will be a safe trade. And if after hitting this resistance level, if it reverses from there, you can short the market. Okay, so hopefully you'll have understood what do you need to do. You can, if it bounces from this level, you can buy. If it breaches or breaks the level or gives a breakdown from here, you can short the market. This will be your target. Okay, and in case there is a big fall, then this should act as a support. In case it starts moving upward, then 106.17 will act as a resistance. If it cannot break the level, then it will reverse from there. You can short the market. If it breaks the level, you can go long. That's it. Let's confirm the levels in 4 hours time frame also. Yes, 4 hours time frame is also telling us this same thing. So these are the three important levels for the day. Hopefully you all have understood the analysis, and if you have found the video informative and liked the video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for daily analysis. If you want to know more about me, then you can check the description box. You'll get a link of my website. Thank you so much and good luck.